Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Taking you a tour today on the 2025 Boston Weather 240 Vantage. Notice here, all white hull, red stripe down the bottom of the boat, classic weather colors, on a modern take on the dual console. Stainless steel rub rail and powered by a Mercury 300 V8 engine. Let's take a look inside the boat, see what she has to offer. Alright, now here we're on the bow of the Boston Weather 240 Vantage. Big open configuration here, plenty of seating, 2 to 3 adults. I have my anchor locker up here, as well as a freshwater wash down, while having TQ cool up front and also wash your anchor rod as it comes in the boat. Ski locker here in the center, keeping more of your items below the deck, out of the way, clutter-free space. And notice here on the port side, let's open this up. A big head, to get in, move around freely, and also a freshwater sink down there as well. One of my favorite features on this boat is this 3-position lounger. If I were to pick this up and move it back towards the bathroom, now I have a big lounge facing aft, making this a very comfortable boat to cruise on all day long. Step back here in the cockpit. So I have another rear seat that will fold down here when not fishing. Another large high back seat to be comfortable in, as well as a live well here for the convenience of fishing. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come by today and take this look at this Boston Weather 240 Vantage. Have a good day.